Hello, my name is Prashant here. Today we are going to talk about an awesome new release in AETL, which is ability to do easy, distinct string aggregation. Now, Microsoft SQL already supports string aggregation, but not distinct, which means when we try to do any grouping, the values are going to be duplicated. Let me show you an example over here. If you see my source, I aggregated this row by size. It had 5 sizes, and hence we have P's which shows up 5 times. This is across multiple patterns. Items could be from stock, items could be from process, and it's painful, right? Now there are ways from Microsoft SQL to ensure that this is deduped in SQL itself, but then your query, which is this simple query before, where I'm just picking up items, becomes slightly more complicated. I need to apply either a CTE or I need to do a distinct query within it, and it just makes it complex to troubleshoot later on. So what I've done over here is I've loaded my table into SQL. We want to write it to either a text file or Postgres. ATL allows you to move data very swiftly from one software to another. Here in Transformer, what you would do is you will scroll down, and in your transformation you will search for dedupe, which is deduplicate delimited values. Connected. Now my values are, the delimiter is comma, which is the standard generally used by SQL. It is also asking whether you wish to skip empty values. I want to say yes. And now if you will preview it, let's just come over here. Now see live preview, we only see one S. And if we go down, one P, one I and S. So everything is properly deduped for you, and you could write from one source to another without even writing one line of code. I'm in love with this feature, and it's a personal pain of mine which I'm very happy which is resolved over here. I hope this is of help to you as well.